Guys, on today's video, we're gonna take a look at your battle pass. So let's get started. Let's just go into your passes. Now, for this, you do need your battle pass, by the way. And we're gonna go into page number 3 right away. So before you hit page number 3, just claim everything from page number 1, number 2, then move on to page number 3. You will notice this skin is locked. So to unlock that, just go on and claim everything before it. So those are some V-Bucks. We're gonna claim. Now there is some stuff here that I already claimed from before, and that's because he came free without the battle pass. But just some stuff. So we're gonna equip this and claim. You don't have to equip everything. You guys can just claim it and later on equip if you like. Here we go. And you may notice that this became unlocked. So I'm just gonna hold on to X. And same deal. This time I am gonna equip it. So we're going to move on to page number 4. Number 4, we got this awesome contrail that which we got already from before. But right now we're just going to get this. We're also going to get some V-Bucks. So we're just going to claim those. We're going to move on to this backling. Equipped, claim. In my case, I'm equipping and claiming everything. And there's some stuff that I already did from before just because you didn't need the battle pass for that. So here we go. All right, so let's review everything we got. So on page number 3, we did get this pickaxe. We got some V-Bucks. Got the loading screen. Let's not forget about the emote. V-Bucks. We got this backling and the skin. Number 4, we got the contrail pickaxe. Well, different style for that pickaxe. Backling. And we got this banner. Let's not forget about the wrap and the other style for the skin. So now we can move on to page number 5. Now remember, to claim everything that I'm claiming, make sure to be level 50 and you should be good to go. But as far as this particular video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write there in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.